Happy Friday! Yay, it's Friday. You've been working so hard all week and it is almost time for the weekend and a little bit of a break. I'm so proud of you guys. All right, this week we read Two Greedy Bears, and you know our blueprints are going to be a little shorter today because it's Friday. We can do it as our theme. That strategy focus again is predict, and our skill is making predictions. All right, let's see if you can read it together with me. What did you read? What do you know? Put it together. What does it show? All right, our phonemic awareness. We are going to stretch our words today. All right, get those stretchers ready. All right, got them together? Here we go. First word, mat. Show. Made. Wait. Batch. Awesome. All right. And you know what? We're going to go through this a little quicker too. We're going to do our suffix review and then the next part will be super speedy. All right, here we go. Suffix, sound, meaning. Yep, you should have said full of. Suffix, sound, should be ly, good job. Meaning, in a way that is. Suffix, sound, meaning, full of. Suffix, sound, should we say an as, meaning more than one or somebody else. All right, here we go. Because it's Friday, we're going to skip, skippity, skip. You guys have done this for 4 days in a row. I know you know all about the word hopeful, surely, greedy, dresses, and how we could use those words because we've been practicing every day. All right, here we go. Regular word review. Since it's Friday, we are going to just read our words. So you're going to do your personal best. I'm going to say word. You're going to try and read it. If you get stuck, I'll still read it for you. All right, here we go. Let's see how many you remember. Word. Should said head. Word. Sure. Word. All right, you should be saying it if you know it. Laugh. Word. Break. Word. Water. Good job. Word. One. Word. Should be some. Word. This is a bigger one. Stomachs. Word. Into. Word. They. Word. Both. Good job. Word. Last one. Was. Woohoo! All right, letter sound review. Here we go. Let's see if we can remember our or and our one R in there. Here we go. Sound. 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 Ow or O. Don't forget both of them. Sound. 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 All right, great job. Here we are, day 5. Sound. Sound. Let's say ow or it could say O. Blend. Sound. Blend. Let's see. M. Ow. Yep. Mouth. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Great job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Word. Great. Sound. Sound. Ow or O. Let's try to blend it. Blend. N. O or now? Yep, it's now. Last one. Sound. So it could say ah by itself or a. Every once in a while it says so let's just check it out. Second syllable, sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, sound, blend. All right, let's put it together. Asleep, asleep, or asleep. Usually we say asleep. All right, let's clap it out. Asleep. Yep, 2 syllables and divided right there between the letter A and the letter S. Yes, you are superstars. You did it. We finished our blueprints in just under 6 minutes for Friday. Have a super duper awesome weekend, first graders. Nice